to use the TV.
You see me I watch something though.
Watch you know? I'm not too care no man. For telling the truth.
Brother, I place a bet on something, so I need to watch the TV.
Jerry Springer time now, is it? I need to watch some Jerry Springer, you see me I say so. Shubo.
Yeah, watch you know, the football league them must start this week, you know, so you need to ease yourself out of my way, brother. You see me I
Wait,
say.
for real?
Yes, I'm gonna make some bet per island bet, so I need to watch it and see if I win money. So excuse.
Yeah, you know I'm pre though. You know the tour could have cool still. You know I could have even be like a real.
Oh,
sorry.
left that alone.
Yeah man, this ready man, this ready.
Industries.
You know, Farmer Brown, you know, I mean, I endorse my online fruit store, you know, man.
You want the best for your down. Farm fresh fruits, no GMO. Everything locally grown.
Everything I grow myself, you hear that?
So you know what quality assured. Ganja Industries. Pineapple, the banana, the ginger, papaya.
And the normal fruits we have, and it will be delivered right at your doorstep. And forget 5% off, just use pine/05.
Ganja Industries.
Okay, you may begin.
What the freak?
よし、俺様が相手だ。俺はこいつらとは違うぜ。
What thing you don't understand of course?
Jaja.
Reverend Scavern.
It can't fucking work.
Mr. Legore, you're finished? This not gonna work out, you know, man.
Sin City was
Angel.
Answer phone, you know. Sandra!
Maxine!
Oh, go on.
Girl, me there take time turn mommy.
Sandra, you're pregnant?
Watch ya! Girl, me I thought the mommy them will come from out of Egypt. The dopey mommy them.
Girl, stop it, you're evil. You're not for go answer.
Watch ya, girl, my foot there grow a wig. The ear them pa my foot long like Rapunzel ear, girl. Me need a wax.
You laugh like a joke. Girl, right now, if you see my armpit, you see ear them a show out through the sleeve under my arm. The ear them a hang out of my arm just like when Dr. Load bus and a hang out of the bus.
My armpit them want wax, girl.
You're disgusting. Girl, you want to know, say, my eyelash them a practice social distancing.
Why you say that?
Come on, see none of them right here, so I need an eyelash.
No, so Maxine, you're terrible. Right now, my Bath and Body Works done a carbolic soap. Me a beard with me smell all.
Oh, you got swallow some bleach, you're too dirty. It's still there. Me come in your room and put on 2 cups right here, so. Just to show you how lazy you be. I know them no move. They wonder how them reach you, so you know. Say, God could have come for him world. Make one next world. Come for you world. Again. And the cup them still no move. My question is, why you being spiteful? Hold on. You're police. Hold on. Are you run so now? Mommy. Why you ask me so much question for? Don't lock me up. Don't lock me up. Me I say that school forget bright. Are you and Michael Sharp used to read news? You're just prime, sir. You know what? Amazing grace, how sweet the song that saved a wretch like you. Hey, you're gonna lick you down one of them there. Try to take out the cup then before me take you out the mouth. I was once lost. Now hurry up and come teach your class. Good day. Sir, where did this along? Yeah, let me tell you this. Nobody feel like the government appear if you come and zoom every day. You hear that? A forex me a try learn. So better you go do it too. And quit school. You see what I'm going right now? A quarantine with a pan here. Yes, I know you tell me this after me done pay my school fee for the whole semester. And me there me had a feed pan water and crackers so I'm broke. Never tell the principal, sir. Watch out. So go tell him now. Sir, you're getting paid. Why are you not teaching? Listen to me. Better you quit school. Cause school not start back for now. Better you go learn some forex. And when I say forex, I'm not talking about the 4 workless girl and where it have. Sir, what you talking about? I am saying that you need to sign up with Billionaires Academy so they can give you step-by-step instructions and online classes so that you can make 1,000 USD per week of forex trading. Sir, so class I keep today. Don't find the cure for corona? No. Goodbye.
Good morning. Glad to have you guys back at work.
We no need for that, so.
True.
And him know, so we no
True,
need for
girl.
that, so. We can do the whole of this our yard.
Excuse me?
I want you to fart. We have to excuse me for you not hear me. We cannot do the whole of the work here we yard. Where we are left for yard
No,
for?
hold on.
We no not pay
You're
we for left for yard.
questioning your need to be at work.
Nah, question nothing. But just I tell you, say, I know everybody need for go to work. For
Sure,
work.
that corona
We
teach
have to
me.
come out of our house. We can't get to use the toilet a morning time. Because we're constipated.
If you do not want to be here, you can leave.
Bossy, a big man, you know, you know, if you have
No, I
one,
do
so
not
listen
want
to
to
me,
hear
bossy.
that.
And then I pay with amount of money for come and work. I want a bus fare and lunch money that I cover. I want to take my pay by some Bridget shoes. And the pay can barely pass the bridge, much less go punches.
Pack up your station and leave.
Yeah, leave, me I go leave. Me I go up on a sick leave. Cause I'm sick and tired of the work. And you come like
Remember the
crosses.
corona and then.
Oh, I can't wait till corona go away. So we can stop quarantine.
You're the moon. Brother, what make you out of everybody want quarantine for done?
What you mean? What me do? What me do?
Exactly. You not do nothing. What you want quarantine for done for? You not work, you not do nothing. Cute dog.
The man come like back at ears. Ever stink but nah do nothing. Brother, me know why me stay home, yeah?
Watch out. No, sure.
Like all time, I want to see this.
Oh, me stop the road lame.
No sound.
And road overrated. I don't like to go out.
See that you not do nothing. The man just lock up in the house like a bat.
First thing about it, the man ugly like a duppy.
Stop going, sir.
He's a duppy bat.
Yo, what not do me yard? You remember say quarantine time? You remember about social
Take it
distancing?
easy, the genius. Take it easy. Remember, you know, you're quarantined from your left high school. You sit on your house now, do nothing.
You chat too much.
Lamb belly boy, come out, I'm fresh. Come out. Mommy, me not eat yet. And if me cook one whole a cow and 2 pig, I am your mouth to all of that. You still not start me yet.
Don't raise your voice off for me.
Don't raise your voice off of me. Don't make the devil rule you. Me full up my kitchen with food for quarantine. My kitchen is not your personal canteen. Don't make the devil rule you. You live like your belly and your God. I want you sing to your belly a morning time for praise and worship. Fill my belly, make it overflow. Fill it up. Make me near my have to quarantine food. Near me top. You try come out of the kitchen before you come. You can tell them say I have corona in here. Come out. Go sit down and take your book.
What that you do?
Eh?
What you do?
I drive and car on the hanger.
Why?
Corona thing I drive me crazy.
So what the anger for?
Cause me I try hang in there, bro. Brother, I'm tired.
Brother, the corona thing.
No, brother, me I'm mad.
We can see it on your face.
Brother, me watch one more Netflix series. Or a movie. Me gonna go make one myself. And call it Mad in This Rap.
Brother, give me the main role tonight. No, give me the main role. Brother, the amount of time I drop asleep, if I drop asleep again, I'm going to wake up in a heaven. And corona up there. If corona for upper heaven, what it would I do up there?
It would have disrespect Grace. It would have disgrace.
Elmo!
Bro, that don't make sense.